Hi, this is Julian at Happy and Living. Welcome back. Today I want to talk to you about what you're going to get from this program. So you're going to find out how you got into your mess, how to get out of it, and how to stay out of it. Those are the things that I needed to know. I now know this stuff inside out and backwards, and I can show it to you so you can help yourself. So, how did you get into this mess? Simple. Imagine you're born, you're a brand new baby, you have got a hard drive. Your hard drive is your nervous system and your brain. So this is an old hard drive, some of you may remember from the old computer days, and this doesn't care whether it's got Apple or Microsoft software, it's just there to do its job. So we start to grow up, we go out in life, and we get society's programming. We get programmed by our parents, by our school, by our teachers, by our religions, if we have one, everything, all the stuff of life. And our hard drive more and more becomes full. And not just that, we learn accidentally and innocently a load of dysfunctional stuff, and you get to a point where your hard drive is so full and it's mainly full of viruses, it cannot work. So you're overloaded, and this is where burnout happens. I've had 2 burnouts, I know. You sit there staring at the wall, you cannot function. No matter what you do, all you're going to do is make it worse. Just to reiterate that, you go out into life every day and you, the spring, gets depressed. Yeah, depressed. It's being pressed. The answer to depression is to take the pressure off the spring. And to do that, you need deep rest. And deep rest comes from the meditation technique that I developed on myself. Sitting in meditation every day, twice a day, 20 minutes, is how you depress your spring and put the effortlessness back into your life. The first insight is we're all born happy. We all saw Mr. Happy when we were growing up. We're all born happy. If you look at any young child, they're kind, loving, trusting, happy little souls, believe anything you say, Father Christmas, Easter Bunny, Tooth Fairy. They are totally innocent and reliant on the people around them. We then get dragged out into life, we start to experience life, the stresses of life start to come in. Basically we're putting layers on top of our onion, hence happy onion living. So we're putting layers on top of the onion. So to regain our happiness, we need to learn to peel the layers off. And that's exactly what you're going to pick up from this course. You'll know without a shadow of a doubt how you get into your mess on a daily basis, how to get out of it, and how to stay out of it. If you need help with this stuff, feel free to contact me. Email's best. I'll get back to you and help you wherever I can. And make sure you watch the next video. The next video is all about feelings.